Small but powerful, the C110 is a compact camera designed for seamless adventure, capturing stunning moments on the go. This ultra-portable device weighs just 79 grams, fitting easily in your pocket while delivering exceptional performance. With a 170-degree ultra-wide field of view and distortion correction, every shot is clear and true to life. Whether you're filming in 4K at 30 frames per second, 2K at 60 frames per second, or capturing fast action at 1080p with 120 frames per second. With a blend of cutting-edge technology and user-friendly design, this drone offers a remarkable flight experience. Equipped with a wide-angle 4K HD Wi-Fi front lens and a high-definition optical flow lens at the bottom, users can easily switch camera angles for dynamic shots. Its 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology, coupled with a 6-axis gyroscope, ensures stable flight, making it easier to control. Sci-Fly drones deliver unmatched performance with 4 times greater flight time and 10 times greater range, 10 times quieter noise profile, and 5 times stronger payload capacity. Sci-Fly drones are NDAA compliant and made for industrial missions like drone as first responder and industrial operations. Zifly's launch platform, the Q12, offers an unprecedented 2-hour continuous hover and up to 3 hours in forward flight, enabling a 90-mile operational range while carrying up to 10 pounds of payload. The Renolor 3D printer offers versatility and precision for a wide range of creative and professional applications. Equipped with 6 color capabilities, it allows users to blend, segment, or create gradient color effects, making it ideal for detailed and visually dynamic prints. The 295 by 295 by 360 mm printing size provides ample room for larger projects, while the printer's ability to achieve fine details at a 0.1 mm accuracy ensures high-quality results with every print. The DJI Mini 4 Pro stands out as an ideal choice for both beginner and experienced drone enthusiasts. With its lightweight build weighing just 0.549 pounds, it offers an impressive balance between portability and performance. This drone features a powerful 4K camera, enabling stunning high-definition aerial footage that meets the demands of creative professionals and hobbyists alike. The 34-minute flight time ensures ample opportunity to capture expansive views or complete intricate aerial tasks. The DJI Fly Cart 30 redefines what's possible in logistics with its powerful flight capabilities and innovative design. Engineered for demanding tasks, this drone combines heavy payload capacity, long-distance travel, and smart technology for the ultimate aerial transport solution. Whether you need to lift heavy goods or traverse challenging environments, the Fly Cart 30 is ready. With a 66 pounds maximum payload, it delivers impressive performance, reaching up to 17 miles of flight distance without payload and 10 miles with full payload. The Infinity Tool 2.0 is a powerful solution for anyone who needs an adaptable, high-performance tool at their fingertips. Designed to be durable and flexible, this tool offers a variety of practical uses for both everyday tasks and unexpected challenges. Made with platinum silicone loops that provide excellent grip and flexibility, the Infinity Tool allows you to secure items quickly and efficiently. The stainless steel stud links increase its versatility, ensuring it can handle almost any job you throw its way. Precision isn't just a promise, it's engineered into every scan with the 3D Maker Pro Seal. Built to reveal the finest dimensions, this compact powerhouse captures details with 0.01mm accuracy and resolution up to 0.05mm. Thanks to advanced blue light encoded structured light technology, even the most subtle textures, faint dents, grainy surfaces, or intricate edges, are rendered into crisp, high-resolution 3D models. The Spire Studio's second generation offers impressive advancements for music creators seeking reliable and high-quality recording capabilities. With an extended 8+ hours of recording time, this device ensures you have the flexibility to capture long sessions without interruptions. It boasts enhanced battery performance, allowing for sustained use during your creative processes. Equipped with upgraded preamps, the Spire Studio delivers clearer sound with better interference rejection, enabling higher volume levels and reduced distortion for a more professional output. The MagMirror 3-in-1 content creation tool is designed for creators on the go, combining convenience and power into a sleek package. With its real-time viewing capabilities, this tool allows for effortless shooting and monitoring of your content. The built-in selfie monitor screen provides instant feedback, eliminating the need for external monitors and extra gear. The tool's LED lighting ensures optimal illumination, making it perfect for indoor and outdoor shoots day or night. Voon Sports Soccer introduces a cutting-edge smart rebounder designed to take your game to the next level. Built for both training efficiency and performance, this innovative device offers double rebound action, ensuring a quick and dynamic response to every strike. Its powerful integrated lights bring extra intensity to your sessions, making it perfect for day or night training. Its easy setup allows you to start training in minutes, so you can focus on improving your skills without any hassle. In a world increasingly reliant on private, high-capacity data storage, one machine rises to meet the demand for speed, security, and full control. Designed for power users, creative professionals, and tech-savvy households, this fully customizable home cloud storage unit brings enterprise-grade performance right into your workspace. Equipped with a Linux operating system and powered by either Intel or AMD CPUs, it's built for versatility and heavy lifting. The Twin is more than a trash can. It's a perfect blend of practicality and sophisticated design. Engineered to complement modern living spaces, its sleek structure provides both functionality and style. The dual compartment design allows you to separate waste effortlessly, keeping your kitchen organized and efficient. With its sturdy construction and user-friendly foot pedal, accessing each compartment is seamless, minimizing contact with trash and maintaining hygiene. The Macaka To Go stands as the ultimate solution for coffee enthusiasts seeking convenience and quality in the great outdoors. Whether you're camping, hiking, or simply in need of a portable brewing solution, this stovetop espresso maker delivers hot or cold coffee on demand. Its compact and lightweight design ensures portability, fitting easily into any travel or camping bag. Constructed from durable materials, the Macaka To Go is built to withstand the rigors of outdoor adventures, ensuring long-lasting use. The Key Unity KF02 Titanium Multi-Tool Carabiner Clip is a practical, compact solution for those who enjoy outdoor adventures. Its titanium construction ensures both strength and lightweight portability, making it ideal for camping, hiking, and other outdoor activities. The 7-in-1 functionality includes a flashlight, which is bright enough for nighttime navigation, along with a bottle opener, screwdriver, and knife blade. The Superbase V offers a groundbreaking solution for home energy storage, designed to meet the demands of modern households with unmatched efficiency. With a robust capacity of up to 64 kilowatt-hours, this system can power essential devices for extended periods, whether for daily use or during an emergency. Its dual voltage output of 120 or 240 volts ensures compatibility with a wide range of household appliances, making it versatile for various applications. Unlike traditional cubes that rely solely on muscle memory and repetitive practice, this futuristic cube integrates cutting-edge AI to create an entirely new way to engage with puzzle solving. The XMARS AI Robot Cube takes learning to the next level by teaching you how to solve the cube with intelligent built-in guidance. No smartphone or app required. The AI-powered learning mode provides real-time hints, while Watch and Learn mode lets users observe the cube solve itself. The Duobo coffee machine offers an innovative solution for coffee enthusiasts who crave customization. Equipped with LG Labs' exclusive two-shot layer technology, this machine allows users to create unique coffee recipes with ease. Whether you prefer a stronger brew or a delicate, multi-layered drink, you can fine-tune the temperature and volume using the Smart App Control feature. This technology ensures that each cup meets your personal taste preferences. Out here where outlets don't exist and adventure runs wild, Solar Energy S delivers critical backup when it matters. This retractable solar power bank carries an immense 40,000 mAh capacity, ensuring your devices stay powered from sunrise to nightfall. Designed to harness full-band solar charging, it captures every ray across the spectrum, keeping your energy flow uninterrupted. Whether you're hiking rugged terrain or traveling off-grid, Solar Energy S keeps up with your pace. A refined centerpiece with surprising versatility, this multifunctional coffee table isn't just furniture, it's an experience in everyday convenience. Designed to serve more than one purpose, it transforms effortlessly from a classic table into a smart work or dining surface. Thanks to its smooth lift-top design, you get a flexible platform that adapts to your rhythm, whether you're powering through work emails or enjoying takeout on the couch. Measuring in at an ideal living room scale, it combines elegance with efficiency. In the world of visual storytelling, precision and flexibility define the outcome. Jootbox Studio steps in as an adaptive creative ally. Built around a fully open magnetized aluminum cube, it delivers a new era of customization. This 12-inch cube features a robust magnetic frame that enables secure, tool-free attachment of accessories, lighting, cameras, and modifiers. Designed with creators in mind, Jootbox Studio brings unmatched accessibility and control. The Ace Pro 2 Dual Battery Bundle is a high-performance action camera engineered for those seeking unparalleled video quality and functionality. Co-engineered with Leica, this camera delivers 8K video resolution, ensuring every moment is captured in crisp, stunning detail. Its 1/1.3-inch sensor excels in low-light environments, providing superior clarity even in dim settings. Designed with motorcyclists in mind, the Ace Pro 2 offers remarkable stabilization, capturing smooth footage regardless of the terrain or speed. The Bravoy Espresso Maker offers an innovative solution for coffee lovers on the go. This portable espresso machine is designed to brew both ground coffee and capsules, allowing for versatile brewing options. With a robust 20-bar pressure system, it extracts rich, full-bodied espresso, mimicking the experience of a traditional espresso machine. Whether you prefer your coffee from capsules or freshly ground beans, this device accommodates both seamlessly. Its compact design makes it ideal for outdoor adventures, including camping, RV trips, or hiking. Introducing the Mesog Liquid, an extraordinary desk toy designed to captivate the mind and elevate your workspace. With its mesmerizing kinetic movements and smooth, continuous flow, the Mesog brings a dynamic touch of artistry to your environment. It's not just a toy, it's a tool that helps enhance focus, spark creativity, and reset your mental state. Crafted with precision, the liquid motion creates a soothing optical illusion that draws the eye and calms the mind. Step into the future of compact control with the M1 by MonsterTech, a pocket-sized powerhouse engineered for serious users. Designed for environments where speed and versatility matter, the M1 eliminates the chaos of juggling remotes, cards, and interfaces. Thanks to its integrated infrared technology, it functions as a universal controller, consolidating everything from your TV to your air conditioner into one seamless device. Slip it into your trunk, carry it on your back, or stash it in a closet. This is portability without compromise. The Lake Pro bundle from Oru Kayak gives you unmatched versatility for spontaneous adventures, designed for serene excursions across calm lakes, gentle rivers, or scenic bays. This ultralight folding kayak offers an effortless solution for beginners and experienced paddlers who value speed, simplicity, and compact travel. Go from packed to paddling in under 5 minutes. The Fisto Cooa stands out as a revolutionary piece of furniture designed to integrate seamlessly into modern living spaces. With 12 cutting-edge features, this smart couch station is a game-changer for anyone looking to combine comfort, technology, and functionality. At the heart of this innovative design is the inclusion of essential home features. A built-in fan ensures air circulation, keeping you cool and comfortable no matter the season. The RGB light system lets you set the mood with customizable colors, whether you're relaxing or entertaining guests. The Fantic Slim Vive 8 is an efficient, portable cleaning tool designed to tackle dirt and debris wherever it accumulates. With a powerful 19,000 Pascal suction power, this mini cordless vacuum makes quick work of cleaning your car, office desk, or even keyboards. Equipped with 2 suction modes, the Slim V8 offers versatility for different cleaning tasks, whether you're handling light dust or more stubborn debris. A steady back means a sharper mind. The Erge Ego. C3 ergonomic office chair doesn't just support your posture, it actively adapts to it. Designed for long hours at the desk, this chair uses pressure-responsive lumbar technology that pivots and flexes with your every move. Tailored comfort comes from the height-adjustable backrest. With a 2.56-inch vertical range, this ergonomic upgrade ensures proper alignment for users of varying heights. Effortless gaming meets advanced cooling and control with the GameSir X3 Pro. This controller's 900 square millimeter cooling plate provides an impressive 12 watts of cooling power, ensuring your phone stays at an optimal temperature throughout long sessions, even under the most intense conditions. Overheating becomes a thing of the past, allowing you to focus solely on the game. The X3 Pro stands out with GameSir Hall Effect sensing sticks, offering 360-degree seamless precision for pinpoint control. Elevate your workspace with the FlexStand Pro, a versatile monitor stand designed to enhance both play and work environments. Featuring an ergonomic design, it offers effortless electric height adjustment, allowing you to tailor your setup for optimal comfort and posture. The built-in ambient LED lighting creates a relaxing atmosphere, perfect for both focused work and immersive gaming sessions. Equipped with USB 3.0 and USB 2.0 expansion ports, this stand keeps all your devices connected and organized. The DuX Float redefines mobile computing with its sleek, ergonomic design. This portable monitor, designed to enhance productivity on the go, offers a stackable screen solution that adds a convenient second display to your laptop. Ideal for multitaskers, the DuX Float easily attaches to the back of your device, folding flat for easy transport. Its lightweight, ultra-thin build ensures you won't be weighed down during travel. Equipped with a vibrant touchscreen, the DuX Float brings intuitive control, allowing you to interact directly with your content.